Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today I will be talking a really short video. I just didn't have enough time to make a very long video, so I will gonna make a very short video. What I want to talk today about is what I'm using GoPro for, and I'm gonna show you some footages I'm using. I was recording using the GoPro, so you can see at the moment I just got a really right mess on my table. I got too much gear, just didn't have time to make a bit of clear up this weekend. So what I'm using my GoPro for is basically while I'm driving, depends. If I'm going somewhere, let's say, I'll just move this, sorry. I'll just move like that, it's a bit better. So it depends, when I'm going somewhere, I always use my GoPro to record while I'm driving. If it's during the night, I like to make how we call it, like car lights. I'm gonna show you a video so you can see, and it's really interesting just because I want to make that video and put up for sale, so that hopefully will pay for the trip and will cover some fuel expenses. Depends where I'm going. And what I'm using is the GoPro itself. It's GoPro 12. I'm quite happy. I won't upgrade. I'm not promoting this camera. I'm just telling you because I have this camera paid from my own pocket, and I'm using because, well, I have it. So I'm using this with my GoPro. So basically when I'm driving, I do connect them together, stick them on my windshield screen on my car, and just ready to go. And when I like something or I want to record something, I just press record button and it doing itself. If I want to do a time lapse, I just make the time lapse ready, and when it's ready for the time lapse, I just click record and it will gonna make a time lapse. Depends on the location, depends how far is the location. I always adjust settings. Sometimes I do choose 5 seconds, sometimes I choose 30 seconds time lapses. It's pretty interesting. You can try it yourself. It's quite fun because you can make some nice time lapses. Depends where you're going and what you want to shoot. And another thing, why I'm using my GoPro is basically vlogging. I purchased this media mode, but what I'm thinking is I don't really like the sound quality with this media mode, so I always now use my DJI Mic 2 because it sounds a bit better. If you have the GoPro 12 and you're thinking to upgrade, it's totally up to you. I'm using this GoPro 12, I'm quite happy. I do time lapses, I do record some few videos sometimes, and also sometimes I do vlogs with this GoPro. The only problem with this GoPro is it is overheating sometimes, and you can feel it. Depends what you're shooting. If you're shooting 4K, it does overheat. If you shoot 5K, it will overheat very fast. I know them GoPros are action cameras, they're no vlog cameras. Then what's the point to sell media mode to this GoPro if it's an action camera? So I can see that a bit of nonsense. Apart from that, you know, it's a good action camera, and I'm quite happy with that. I wish if I would go back in time, I probably purchased the DJI action camera because I already have 3 drones, DJI, and I kind of like all the DJI products. But now as I got GoPro, I have no reason to sell it and upgrade. I'll probably keep it for a while until it dies. So that's pretty much what I want to talk to you in this short video. As I said, I didn't really have enough time to make a long video as usual. But well, today I was busy. I went in Manchester and I was doing some photography. Some street photography. I really wanted to fly my DJI Mini 3 Pro in Manchester, but I couldn't, and well, because it was really windy and the weather was really rubbish. So anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching this really short video. I don't know how informative you found this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe my channel, not miss anything out. I'm thinking to make a project for my little YouTube channel for my subscribers. So if you're one of them, I really hope you'll be excited about this project. And yeah, any questions, ask in the comments. Again, do not forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. And If you like this video, thumbs up, and we'll see you next video. Thank you.